I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming basics while you begin action. Park on level ground, set the brake, and run the engine until warm. Once done, read stored fault codes with an OBDROMAN 2 scanner and write down idle RPM and any surging. Then inspect the air filter, intake hose, and visible vacuum lines for cracks or loose clamps. Small leaks raise RPM or cause instability. Make sure to wear gloves and eye protection. Next, we move into targeted adjustments and tests. Now focus on execution. Disconnect the intake and clean the throttle body and IAC passages to remove carbon buildup that falsely alters airflow. Next, test the MAF or MAP sensor values with a multimeter or scan tool. Replace sensors that show readings outside manufacturer specs because faulty sensors misreport airflow and force incorrect RPM. Tighten or replace cracked vacuum hoses, and after each fix, restart the engine and record RPM to see if idle stabilizes before moving on. To finish, perform an idle relearn or reset the ECU per the vehicle's procedure so the engine control adapts to changes. This often resolves lingering RPM irregularities. If the idle remains high or low, check fuel pressure and injector spray patterns because fueling faults can alter idle. Once done, verify readings and road test at low speed. If problems persist, troubleshoot intake leaks, ignition timing, or the engine control module. If you see erratic codes or no improvement, consult a technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.